Okay guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I have a great day, Mister, because last night I sleep in my house, friends.
How's friend? Who's
Friend's house.
Friend's house.
Who's your friends?
My friend, I have a lot of my friends. I have a lot of friends.
Who are you? In whose house did you sleep last night? Who?
I sleep at Johan's house.
But where is
Johan
Johan?
house. Where is Johan now?
Johan is 6 now, Mister.
6. I'm 7.
Okay, before we start the class, so let's pray
To
for
Johan.
Johan and for this class. Who wants to lead? Johan, oh, okay. Silakan dulu.
Okay, everyone. Before we start the learning, let's pray together for our friends and for our healthy praying video. Finish.
Amin.
Okay guys, so today I will present about, you can guess what
No.
the material I want to present.
No,
Okay.
we don't know.
It is proposition of
Time.
Like,
place. Right, proposition of place. Okay, and here I will introduction about proposition of place. So what is proposition of place? Go on.
Mister,
Bantu read. Okay.
Mister, jum mana yang bisa?
ah?
Bubur jum. Sum teguh.
Bukan bubul, cum.
Oh,
Oh shit.
that's open mind. Introduction.
Tapi gambarnya aku.
Aku mau
Okay.
introduction to prepositions of place.
Yeah.
Prepositions of place are words that indicate the location or the position of a person, object, or idea. They are an essential part of grammar and communication, helping us express spatial relationships and provide context for our statements. Understanding the proper use of prepositions of place is crucial for effective English language skills, whether you're writing, speaking, or comprehending the language.
Okay, so in here about introduction, the proposition of place. So proposition of place is a word to indicate about the position, what thing, idea, and object, and a proposition also can help us to express our statement, like when we want to express the things like what is laptop. So misalkan kamu mau ngasih statement semisal itu laptopnya ada di atas meja. Jadi gimana cara bilang begini? Semisal laptopnya ada di atas meja.
The laptop is on the table.
Good. So next to new slide. So in here, definition of proposition of place. 1. For describing location. 2. Expressing spatial relationship. 3. Providing context. So number 1, who want to read? Okay, Hannah.
Preposition of place are used to describe the physical location or position of a person, object, or idea in relation to something else. They help us specify where things are in space.
Okay, so what's the meaning of this number 1?
Itu kayak untuk ngasih tahu lokasi suatu barang gitu loh, atau
Ya.
suatu objek.
Things.
Things. Tuh sebenarnya tadi yang laptop ya.
Good. Number 2, Teguh.
Number 2, expressing special relationship. This preposition conveys special relationships such as above, below, next to, or inside, allowing us to clearly communicate the relative position of different
Elements.
elements.
So what's the meaning?
Betul.
Okay, I will zoom for you. Nah,
Jadi itu tuh untuk apa sih, buat memberitahu masa hubungan jarak
to convey.
bukan, iya jarak nggak sih?
Iya, jarak. Maksudnya
Bukan jarak.
Bukan jarak. Kayak misalnya above, below gitu.
Oh jadi ada jaraknya bisa.
Ya.
Kalau itu yang tadi itu kan nggak ada jaraknya, kalau ini ada jaraknya.
Ya.
Lokasi bendanya gitu, kalau itu kayak jarak.
Kayak both. For the table and the lamp. That's
Ada spesial.
space. Yeah, special. Okay. So next to number 3. Providing context. Bobby, can you read?
Yang mana?
Number 3.
Mister nggak kelihatan.
Providing context.
Matanya
Please
dong.
zoom.
Mata aku minus. Aku lupa bawa kacamata.
Minus.
Yes, Mario Bobby.
Context. By using preposition of place, we can provide important context and detail that help the listener or reader better understand the situation or environment being described.
So what's the meaning of number 3? Providing context.
Jadi kalau yang aku tangkap sih dari providing context itu apa ya, kayak si yang ngasih, intinya mah kayak mempermudah buat pendengar atau pembaca untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu yang dia maksudnya gitu.
Okay, that's correct. So there's the meaning of the providing context is for provide important context and details, or for people who want to describe the situations and or environment want to be described. So next slide. So this common preposition of place. Apa itu common? Umum. Apa yang kalian tahu tentang preposisi yang umum yang sering didengar apa aja? On, in, at, under, over, above, below, behind, in front, next to, between, and
Side.
round, beside. Nah, these common prepositions. So mungkin ini udah umum lah, udah kalian tahu juga tentang apa sih namanya preposition yang umum gitu, kayak tadi yang udah disebutin at, terus juga di sini ada less common. Preposition apa less common?
Jarang ditemui.
Kan jarang apa sih?
Ya.
Yang tidak biasa, Mister.
Nah, ada less common but still useful preposition of place are, contohnya itu kayak inside, outside, within, without, alongside. Alongside apa sih? Alongside.
Sepanjang jalan.
Alongside, across. Cross tahu?
Cross itu di seberang.
Seberang. Terus throughout. Kenapa tuh? Throughout.
Luar.
Terus mau
Di antara.
di antara dan apa? Beneath and upon. Beneath. Terus preposition of place. So in here, preposition of place can also be used in prepositional phrase, such as on the table. Kayak itu, kayak dari contohnya itu dari on the table. berarti artinya di atas meja.
Meja.
Good. So, jadi ini tuh kayak dari yang common yang nulis juga bisa dibuat menjadi frase. Jadi phrase. Kayak on, at, sudah behind the tree. Sudah di sini ada preposition of place with specific locations. Apa sih? Specific locations.
Dengan lokasi yang spesifik.
Spesifik kayak misalkan kalau ada yang ngutip indoor, apa? Indoor pasti ada di dalam
Ruangan.
space. Ya. Di dalam ruangan. So preposition like in kalau indoor tuh kayak in, on, at, and inside. So are used to describe location within a building or indoor space, such as for example to in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the class. For kayak ini, kayak atau ini on the desk. Terus juga ada misalkan mau pakai inside, itu kan pasti jarang ya orang-orang pakai inside. Kayak misal inside the cabinet.
Kabinet apa?
Kabinet.
Tuh kayak bupek itu.
Kabinet. Inside the cabinet. Tapi
Kira-kira kabinet mana?
kalau kabinet di Indo kan sebuah apa sih namanya?
Kayak kementerian.
Kementerian itu. Ya. Juga outdoors. What do you think about outdoors?
Di luar.
Di luar ruangan pasti ya.
Di luar.
Di luar ruangan. Okay. So, to go with the outdoors.
Prepositions like on, at, under, over, and above are used to describe outdoor locations, such as on the lawn, at the park, under the tree, above the clouds.
Apa sih gitu?
Jadi outdoor itu ya emang kayak buat di luar, lokasinya di luar, biasanya pakainya on the lawn, terus ada at itu lebih spesifik jadi at the park, terus under the tree itu berarti di bawah pohon, terus above the clouds,
Di atas awan.
di atas.
Oke.
Berarti kalau above the clouds di atas awan berarti objeknya ada di atas awan.
Kitanya lagi di atas awan.
The clouds above us berarti.
Kayak pas kita lagi naik pesawat.
Ya, misal kita use the plane and we want to describe to others. Misalkan kita mau deskripsinya kepada orang itu bahwa kita tadi habis naik pesawat terus kita ada di atas awan. Jadi jadinya apa sih tadi?
Above the clouds.
Above the clouds. Terus di sini ada relative positions. Mana? Read the positions.
Preposition like next to, between, in front of, behind, and beside are used to describe the relative position of an object or person in relation to another, such as next to the car, between the building, or behind the house.
Can you mention what?
Itu ada relasinya sama objek lain gitu loh, makanya disebutkan objek lainnya yang berhubungan sama objek tersebut.
Ya, for example next to car, berarti ada di sisi ataupun di sebelah mobil. Sudah between the buildings, jadi kita ada di tengah-tengah. Saat ini di sini ada twin tower, misalkan twin tower, jadi kita ada di tengah-tengahnya. Gitu. Terus juga ada special.
Kalau tinggal di building.
Ellie,
Ya,
read special relationship.
spatial relationship. Prepositions like across, through, along, around, and throughout are used to describe spatial relationship and occurrence, such as across the bridge, through the woods, or around the lake.
Can you next to preposition of place with movement. Apa sih movement? Bergerak ya?
Bergerak.
Contohnya into. Kayak kita misal misalkan Hana into the class. Berarti Hana masuk ke kelas gitu. So the preposition into indicates movement from the outside to the inside of a locations, such as she walked into the house. Jadi itu tuh kayak ngasih indikasi bahwa orang ataupun objek itu udah masuk tuh. Masuk.
Udah.
Jadi ini preposition of movement.
Ya, movement.
Mister, apa bedanya sama enter?
Enter. Sebenarnya sama itu kan kayak desain sama next to. Itu sama enter, sama-sama masuk. Tapi nanti mungkin ada ini perbedaannya gitu.
Bedanya kalau enter udah nggak perlu kayak gitu.
Iya. Terus out of, the preposition out of indicates movement from the inside to the outside of occasion, such as he came out of the car.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mister, I'm sorry Mister.
Jadi pernah aja David.
I'm sorry Mister, abis ketiduran tadi.
Iya, Mister David mau ke kantor.
Tadi dulu.
Oke. Thank you Mister.
Oke.
Ya.
Read number 3, 2 and number 4. 2 and from.
Di depan ya.
Ya.
Nomor berapa aja Mister?
3 and number 4.
Two. The preposition to indicates movement toward a specific destination, such as I'm going to the park.
Translate.
Jadi preposition to itu mengindikasi pergerakan.
Ya.
Contohnya itu to, penggunaan kata to itu I'm going to the park. Aku pergi ke taman.
Kayak itu digunakan untuk kayak misal mau datang ke mana misalkan.
Oh iya, mau berkunjung kemana?
For destination ya.
Oh iya,
Kayak misal I'm going to the park, I'm going to the
Beach.
class.
to the beach bisa.
Sure, bisa. Juga from.
From. The preposition from indicates movement away from starting point, such as Jai came from the library. Jai? She came from library. Jai, Mister. She came from the library. Jadi berbeda dengan itu kan, kalau itu destination, ini mah kayak starting point. Ya,
Terawalnya.
poin pertama berarti.
Ya.
Poin awal.
Kayak Davin come from the home misalkan gitu. Jadi Davin itu perawatannya dari rumah gitu. Misal itu.
Oke, duduk.
Silakan duduk Davin. Oke, next to. Nah, kayak di sini preposition of place with special relationship ada above, next to, below. Kayak tadi yang udah dijelasin ya. Tadi kan juga udah. And so next to practice and exercise. Okay, next to exercise.
Yang depan Mister.
Hmm.
Zoom.
Kelihatan?
Mbak, Mister, aku izin pulang ya, aku dijemput sama mami aku.
Iya, boleh salah.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
So, okay, pay attention. These directions. Choose the correct position of place. Nih di sini ada don't stand. Titik the direction I can see. Apa? Don't stand.
In front of.
On. Kalau di rusak.
Be in front of the
In front
wall.
of. Kalau in front of itu apa sih?
Si
Di
depan.
depan.
Bo.
Duduk.
Berarti biar.
Ya.
Oh,
Bisa kalau habis titik diganti, it will be broken, but it will be bisa.
Oke, berarti dia.
Ya.
Next to number 2. Come and sit.
Come and
Sit.
sit.
On.
Under.
Boy, bandel ya, boy.
Come and sit.
Bandel di boy. Sit only.
Beside Mr.
Are you sure?
Beside.
Under.
Bisa dia. Jauh ini bisa.
Under we. Aduh, ya satu.
Jangan under ya itu sangat.
Andre.
On aja.
Skills number 3. From the plane, we could see people in the fields.
Below.
Plane.
Ball.
Dari
Pesawat.
pesawat melihatnya.
Below.
Beside.
What are you doing?
Mister ngobrol below.
Mr. Cole malah dua.
Bisa rokok 2 biji.
Mister disilang aja lah.
Ya, dapat gitu.
Ya dia.
Ya gimana yang harusnya ya?
Nah di sini
Itu ada yang
number
sama
4.
You have to
To
turn
turn
around to see it's titik-titik Q.
over.
Oh.
No, behind.
In front of.
Behind us.
You have to turn around to
Behind.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Number 5. Jet man was lying
Oh no.
On the ground. Bang bang bang.
Ingat ya, untuk apa ya?
Di atas yang menempel.
Pokoknya ada di permukaan.
Ya.
On dan juga
Kalau everything I need is
Everything I need.
Everything starts.
number 6. Careful you don't scratch the table. Better put a cloth
above.
above.
Ada over. Over.
Over it.
Over.
Okay. Terus number 7. It's not where the road goes.
Only.
Gimana?
It's dark where the road goes. On
Railway. Apa sih railway? Bridge.
Itu railway itu rel kereta ya sih, stasiun.
Jalan kereta.
Itu penyeberangan.
When the road
Berarti ada di
On.
nomor 8. Nih. He looked up at the ceiling.
Cili.
Sini. Apa?
Bob. Bob ini ya.
Ya.
Banyak kan melihat ini ya.
Under.
On
You
Can sit.
on the chair.
on the chair.
Oh, semua bisa.
The police are
Oh ya, ini sama ya.
The police car came first. The president was in the car. On.
Okay. So that's all for the meeting today. So thank you for your attention and your attendance for this class. So I close this class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.